My pretties, I'm back with some very nice products. मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ some बहुत बढ़िया फाउंडेशन एंड कंसीलर जो अभी लेटेस्ट आया है. दिस इज़ द लेटेस्ट which has come on in the stores. You can check online. I had gone to the Forever 52 ka, and they have this concealer is anyway very, this is anyways a product which was there already. So this is a complete coverage concealer. This is by Forever 52. I have just used it and I've just concealed my under eye area and my areas which I needed to conceal, all these. So I've just used this. This is by Forever 52. So this is a very nice concealer. I thought I'll share with you. मैं आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ कि क्या products are really good, because I was just wearing the for concealer and I was trying out the foundation. So I really liked it. मैंने सोचा I must share with my beautiful ladies out there. This is a Sensational 50. This is again by Forever 52. This is a foundation and it is in this kind of a nozzle it comes. I just used it. I used very little, but you see the shine. It's very nice. It's got the shine and it's got SPF 50 in it. So a very good foundation by Forever 52. It's the latest product. So very nice. Must go and grab yours according to the shade. Take a tone lighter. This is 01. This is 001 cream. It's cream carrot lane. Crema, something like that. This is how it is. I'll just show it to you. This is the number. So this is the one which I'm wearing. You can check out as per your skin tone. तो ये है Forever 52 का which I'm just wearing and I thought I will share with you. And I also got a very nice this is from Dot & Key, a very nice moisturizer. These are the products which I had bought, so I thought I'll share with you. And ये जो है, this is a very good moisturizer for your skin, everyday wear. And also their serum by Dot & Key. This is also a very nice serum by Dot & Key. So this is good for pigmentation, for dark spots, hiding, you know, it just over the time it fades out. So ये आपको अगर अपने dark spots, blemishes कुछ, तो ये serum is very nice. This is Dot & Key. This is Blueberry Hydrate. A very nice serum. So these are the few products which I had just bought, so I thought I'll share with you, and these are very nice. And also I'm even using this under eye cream, Lumin Eye. This is a very nice under eye cream. You can try it. It's really faded out the dark circles quite a bit. I've been using for quite some time now. So it's a must have for your under eye circles. It covers most of your under eye problems. So this is the name, you can check. Lumin Eye. So this is nice. And these were the basic things that I had bought. And now I'm just doing my makeup. I have finished this and I'm going to be doing my regular, so you can get along and check how I'm doing it. So let's go. This is the cushion I'm using from Tear. So this is what I'm using, and let's go ahead with our, I'm not going to be contouring today, so I'll just use the regular setting powder. This is by Sugar. It's the same that I use. You all know it. मैंने आपको दिखाया हुआ है vlogs में भी. So since this is an everyday makeup vlog, so not much, just a basic getting ready to go for some work. So this basic everyday makeup hai. Just do your eyebrows. There are some very nice eyebrow translucent gels that have come. You know, they just very nice gels, so you can try that also. I am not using it. I will be getting one for myself. They are eyebrow setting gels. They are very nice. They keep your eyebrow hair in place, doesn't move, so it's nice for those who have good eyebrows. एंड ये हो गया हमारे आईब्रोज. समटाइम्स आईब्रो पेंसिल कभी ज़्यादा डार्क हो जाती है. यू कैन जस्ट यूज़ अ टिश्यू टू जस्ट क्लियर ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा. मैंने अभी ज़्यादा नहीं लगाया, सो आई एम नॉट यूजिंग इट. एंड since I'm wearing this color, satin silk color top, so I will try some nice eyeshadow. Let me see what I have. Let's see. This is the palette. ये तो मेरा favorite है. This is by Mars. I like this palette eyeshadow का. Very nice powdery, and it's got that blush. This is the contouring. This is highlighting. This is also another highlighter. This is another contour, and this is the palette for your eyeshadows. This is by Mars. They have lots of variety, so you can see what you like. Let me use a brush today for my shadow. So let's see what goes with mine. Let's take this. So I'm going to be taking this and just doing my eyeshadow. You see, this is going with my shade of top. So let's go ahead. Makeup actually is something which you should enjoy doing. So makeup करने के लिए you should be in the right mood, and you should be enjoying what you're doing, and you should be in love with what you're doing basically. So if you love to do something, then you should do it. ये जैसे मैंने कर दिया, देखो कितना अच्छा it's matching with my top. So I've taken that, and I'll just do that windshield movement. You see that? So it finishes off very well. I like the special comment for the eyeshadow. It's the windshield movement. It's a nice, I like it. Okay, now let's do this, and we have done this. अब हम चलते हैं for the eyeliner. This is a very basic makeup vlog. I'm not. This is by Rene, eyeliner by Rene, black jet black eyeliner by Rene. Always make sure there's no extra product on your brush, otherwise वो फिर ठीक नहीं आता. So you see this? Eyeliner is done. Always do makeup as per your skin, your tone. आप प्रोडक्ट्स देखिए, आप एप्लीकेशंस देखिए, बट ट्राई टू डू द मेकअप एज पर योर फेस, एज पर योर स्किन, एज पर योर टोन, स्किन टोन. उससे आपका जो makeup है will come out really nice, because what skin tone one person has, it may not be the same for another. So you have to see your skin tone for your makeup, and your skin, how it is, combination oily, dry. So ये आपको अपने हिसाब से, and you know your skin better. तो आप अपने हिसाब से, I can just show you the products, the way how to do it. So ये आप देख लें. ये हो गया. And let me put the kajal. This is again by Mars. This is a nice pigmented kajal. So this is how it's looking. Let me do it this side. I'm doing not much because it's just a day makeup. and it's a everyday wear makeup. I've not, this is a very good foundation, like I said, this one from Forever 52 for everyday wear. It's got a sunscreen also, so you don't need to add any other sunscreen along with this foundation. It's good to go for a everyday wear. आप अपने टोन के हिसाब से फाउंडेशन सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज डन एंड आई जस्ट क्विकली डू माई eyelashes. That is by, let me just see, this is very nice. I have shown you in our previous vlogs also. ये बहुत fabulous color है. This is a good double sided mascara. This is the thin, ये नीचे लैशेस के लिए है. So you see that? Really nice. नहीं तो नीचे लैशेस रह जाते हैं. So this is the other side, is this side. ये देखिए. एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट हमेशा ब्रश से निकाल लीजिए. Always take out the extra product from the brush. और ये देखो. So this is how it is. And if you feel कि आपको लग रहा है जैसे ज़्यादा मस्कारा आ गया है, so what you can do is you can use a Q-tip and just take out the extra. Like I feel either extra है, so I've just taken a Q-tip and taken out. This is a very nice way to take out the extra on your eyelash. So ये देख रहे हैं. So this is it, and now I'm going to be doing my blusher. For my blusher, I have this. Let me check what is the blusher that I have. Let's see. Okay. Blushes are. I'm planning, this is a Flicka lipstick. This came with the Flicka cosmetic. I had bought the moisturizer and their foundation. So I'm going to just put a point here, and let's see how it comes. Because I'm wearing something very little dot. I'm trying it. It's a very bright colored lipstick. So let me see, I'm taking it very little. So let me just use this thing for my, let's see how it comes out for the blushing. Not bad. So let's just try this. It's not bad for the blush. So it's really, really good. I like the lipstick can be used actually for a blush, and a little bit, otherwise it's too much. So just a little. So you see, it's really come out nice. The blush has come out very nice. मैंने ये लिपस्टिक का थोड़ा सा डॉट लिया है, जस्ट अ लिटिल. बहुत ज़्यादा करेंगे, सो यू सी जस्ट अ लिटिल इज सो मच. सो इट शुड जस्ट गो बाय एन एक्स्ट्राज यू कैन पुट ऑन योर फोरहेड और, बट इट्स कम आउट रियली नाइस एज अ ब्लश. इसके पर्टिकुलर लिपस्टिक्स हैं, दिस आई डोंट नो द नंबर, बट दिस इज very nice color for the blush also, and it's a lipstick. So I really liked it. I'll see if I can use it right now, but I'll see. So you see this, and extra I can take out with a little bit of foundation powder, the compact powder. I'll just show you. I'll just use the compact. I have to check where I have my compact. Too many products, so you need to actually check out where you kept what. You can just go on and on and on with the products buying, but you need to sort them also. You need to actually get hold of what you need and what you don't need. So anyways, I'm right now going to be using this one. I'm going to use sugar powder only to make it a little less. So I'm going to be just, you see, it's going to lessen out. जो एक्स्ट्रा है वो कम हो जाएगा. So otherwise you can use a compact also. It is actually a compact required. So extra मैंने I've just taken it out by dabbing the translucent powder. So this is done. Anyway, blush doesn't stay for long. So it usually, even if it is, it'll just sublime slowly, slowly. So that is it. And see, the foundation has settled so well. So a little bit of foundation, little bit is less is more. So you don't need to put too much of foundation. A little bit does the show. So that's it. And now I'm going to be wearing my lipstick. If you want a little for the since it's everyday wear, I'm not putting any highlighter. So if you want, you can use a highlighter here or here. I'm just going to wear my lipstick now. And then we are ready to go. And I'm not wearing very, very dark lipstick. I'm going to be just using, this is a very pretty color by Revlon. It's a Color Stay Satin Ink. So I'm going to be just wearing this. See this? It's a satin ink. Very nice, glossy, natural, very nude. बहुत बढ़िया कलर है, बहुत बढ़िया स्टे है. Very nice. It's by Revlon, original Revlon. Very nice. So this is good. And I'm just going to put the Swarovski makeup fixer, moisturizer with hydration. So here I go. I'll close my eyes. And we are ready to go. So that's it. It'll just dry off. You see the shine, the extra shine. It's really nice. So that's it. And let's do a hair. And I just got my hair done yesterday. And it's really nice. It's enhanced. The molecular treatment has enhanced my hair. The highlights. It's made my hair very nice. And it used to feel as if there's a lot of very dryness, frizziness. So it's made it very nice. So that's how it is. And that's it for everyday wear. Nothing much. And always remember, less is more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.